Okay, good morning again. Hello, how are you? Fine, thank you. Chewing on some chewing on some chin chin balls. I don't see you right now. I'm coming. I gotta see that. You gotta have me putting a step down. Mm. Huh? You know what happened before I traveled? That the reason I was trying to sell the car. Yeah, that incident happened before I traveled. Right, we're parked the other side. How are you? Let me see, Papa T. And that shit, that charger. You know I gotta come. I'm not just kidding, say go do it. Let's see, come, let's see. My hand got less pressure. I said my hand got less pressure. And on this side, oh my goodness, Charlie. Oh, you need a plug. You might need a plug. How long the car been sitting? I think yesterday. Oh no, it got a nail in it. Really? Yeah. Feel around it. I checked. Yesterday. I checked it there. Yeah, it might have a nail. Maybe it's sitting. The lean is sitting on the nail. I checked yesterday. So it can be small leak or something. Make sure nobody pop it. It may be under where the thing is. Cause when I get flat, they all the way down to the ground. No. Well, let's try and see. No, my brother. Yeah, we got it going now. I got it on my car. Right here. I started to cut it. That's okay. I think it's not good. I put pressure on the jet and lock it on that side. So when I put that, I know I just start putting it in the top pocket. I put up to 40 pounds to put the top on. The brake and the shoulder easy, right? Yeah. Put 40 pounds in that. Yeah, when it gets full, it shuts up by itself. When you do the amount, I think 35 pounds, it shuts off. Yeah, I might need to put a little bit of air in my tire before I leave. Yeah. See? This one I put 40 pounds in it in the morning. Other side, you see. See this one here? It look like going down to 30 pounds now. I make sure I tap it up before I travel. Yeah, we got the air going. Kind of the weather kind of funny out here. Look at my mouth smoking. And this is Charlie's yard. This is where I had my car parked after I came from Africa. I pulled it out of Jersey. I had it in Jersey. So when I brought it to New York, this is where we parked for a minute, for a couple of months. And Charlie allowed to be parked here until I was able to get the papers processed. And they brought it, when the tow truck brought this car, they dropped the car, you could tell. They dropped the car, that's why my transmission oil was leaking. You see? DMV gave the drivers the authority to tow our cars, but when they tow the cars, they drop it. Anybody that tow the cars, they always have a problem. Why? You pick up the car, drag it. pull the car to the place, other drop it down. Or, they're not treating our cars right when they tow these cars. We're not looking for trouble like that. But at least, man, if you're gonna do this for us to pay the government money to get our transportation back, please. The tow truck drivers, you handle our cars, you handle a car when you're towing with care. They're breaking the cars also the citizens can have more problems in repairs. But the tow truck driver, J and J, with the brothers, order you, please. If anyone of you get to see my video, please. Be careful with people cars. Even though you're towing it, but still, don't drop it down. The man drop my car down in front of me, and I know when you drop that car, I told you you're gonna break something. And sure enough, transmission oil leaking. This that cost us that cost me a lot of more money that I don't even have. I gotta go ask people to help. That's not good. That's not nice. DMV, DMV. I tell your people when we violate, they don't violate us double. We violate the city and then the drivers violate us after towing our cars. That's not good, man.